When geopolitical conflict erupts, the first casualty in the market is certainty. You watch indices gap down overnight, and the emotional stress of seeing your portfolio flash red can easily trigger a deeply irrational response. This rapid market movement is driven by physical realities on the ground. Supply chain disruptions choke global trade, causing the cost of critical energy resources, like crude oil and natural gas, to surge almost immediately. Reacting to these forces with a panic sell locks in your losses. Today, we are going to replace that fear-driven instinct with a clinical, tactical defense plan to protect your capital. We will execute this strategy in 3 steps. First, calculating a liquid cash war chest. Second, rebalancing your assets into anti-fragile defensive sectors. And third, automating your psychological safeguards. Pull up your current monthly budget and open your investment portfolio right now. Surviving a market crisis requires objective, immediate action, and we are going to secure your numbers step by step. Step 1 is establishing your war chest. This is a dedicated, highly accessible cash reserve kept completely separate from your standard market investments. This calculator shows the exact formula. Take your essential monthly living expenses and multiply that baseline by a factor of 6 to 12 months. If your essential budget is $5,000 a month, your target financial shield is between $30,000 and $60,000. Holding this much cash carries a mathematical penalty. During wartime, defense spending and resource scarcity cause inflation to run hot, which steadily erodes the purchasing power of those dormant dollars. You accept this inflation drain because the alternative is catastrophic. Without cash on hand, an unexpected job loss or emergency will force you to liquidate your stock portfolio at a massive loss just to cover your grocery bills. Having this liquidity also gives you offensive power. When market fear peaks, high-quality blue-chip companies trade at deep discounts. Your war chest provides the capital to buy them while others are panicking. Funding this runway provides the luxury of time. You have the stability required to ignore the daily headlines and wait out the volatility, shifting your focus toward long-term survival and future growth. Now we manage your active investments. The absolute worst move you can make with a deployed portfolio right now is liquidating everything into cash. Instead, secure your capital systematically. Review your holdings and trim the profits from any energy or defense stocks that have already spiked in response to the initial conflict headlines. Take those profits and shift 5 to 10% of your total portfolio into precious metals. Gold acts as a highly reliable store of value when international pressure destabilizes standard fiat currencies. This before and after chart shows how we must reallocate your remaining capital into defensive sectors. These are businesses producing goods and services that people cannot survive without, regardless of global trade disruptions. Direct your focus toward healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples. Medicine, regional power, water supplies, and basic food items maintain consistent, rigid demand, even when the broader economy stalls. Finally, factor in the realities of modern conflict by adding allocations to cybersecurity and digital defense stocks. Warfare is now fought heavily in the cloud, driving massive, sustained contracts into these specialized industries. This specific asset mix anchors your wealth to human survival necessities and vital digital infrastructure, creating an anti-fragile fortress that can withstand erratic market behavior. Even with a perfect allocation, the greatest threat to your wealth is your own psychology. The 24-hour news cycle is deliberately engineered to spike your cortisol and keep you in a constant state of anxiety. You must lock down your accounts to prevent emotional errors. Log into your brokerage and verify that margin trading is disabled. Sudden volatility will instantly wipe out leveraged accounts, removing you from the market before a recovery even starts. Next, ensure your systematic investment plans remain active. Continuing to buy steadily during a severe market downturn mathematically lowers your average cost of acquisition. This market chart tracks the clear pattern cycles followed during conflicts. While a sharp initial contraction is entirely normal, hitting sell at this bottom guarantees a permanent loss of capital. Stock markets function as forward-looking machines that trade on future expectations, rather than today's headlines. Once the initial shock of a conflict is factored into prices, even the smallest hint of stabilization acts as a catalyst for growth. If you wait for the news cycle to finally announce an all-clear signal, you will have already missed the market's identifying of new winners and its most profitable leg of recovery. By disabling margin and automating your regular investments, you remove human emotion from the equation entirely. Your portfolio will execute your defense strategy, even on the days you are too terrified to check the news. You have now successfully built your wartime portfolio defense plan. You have established a fully funded liquid war chest, rebalanced your assets into anti-fragile sectors, deactivated your margin risks, and automated your discount buying. Your final administrative task is to review your life and health insurance policies, verify that they are currently active, and strictly check if any acts of war exclusion clauses apply to your coverage. Through every major global conflict, the pattern holds true. History consistently rewards the patient, disciplined investor who ignores the sensationalism and stays the course. Wealth preservation in global chaos requires objective positioning. By preparing your capital to survive the immediate panic today, you ensure your portfolio remains intact to capture the compounding growth that historically follows every global resolution. You have now successfully built your wartime portfolio defense plan. You have established a fully funded liquid war chest, rebalanced your assets into anti-fragile sectors, deactivated your margin risks, and automated your discount buying. Your final administrative task is to review your life and health insurance policies, verify that they are currently active, and strictly check if any acts of war exclusion clauses apply to your coverage. Through every major global conflict, the pattern holds true. History consistently rewards the patient, disciplined investor who ignores the sensationalism and stays the course. Wealth preservation in global chaos requires objective positioning. By preparing your capital to survive the immediate panic today, you ensure your portfolio remains intact to capture the compounding growth that historically follows every global resolution.